Hello, you guys, or mainly for the Echelon Hotel moderators. This is my kind of apology video on what, I don't expect to be unbanned. Like, what I did was really, disrespectful to the game. The Echelon Hotel is what I did was really disrespectful, but guess this is kind of my apology. Not really. It's hard to explain me reviewing it, because I am gonna be critiquing it a bit too. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start with part 2, because this one has the more reasonable. Sorry, I keep breathing. It's funny because this guy said it. Just kind of, I don't know why I'm out of breath. So, let me try to find it. It's not funny to be annoying to people trying to work in a peaceful environment, SMH. That is true. I have taken a break from trolling. I still kind of troll, but not as aggressive. Yeah, what I did was, pretty messed up and mean. Echelon Hotels is a good game. It's a good game, okay? Your voice makes you want to use a nail file on it. I can't speak. Your voice makes my brain want to use a nail file on itself. Sorry, I was born with this voice. Haven't gone through puberty yet. So you're also I'm gonna delete what I said. I am getting really salty with. I'm just gonna remove it because I just don't want to really see it. I think us all could be pretty mature about this. I've been the most immature one, okay? But let me spill the tea, okay? You Echelon Hotel moderators have been kind of immature too. I'm not saying I'm any better. I'm much worse. I was doing some pretty mean stuff. Echelon Hotels is a good game, okay? Wave Scripts is pretty, he's a pretty nice person. Trolling, by the way, I met Wave Scripts. And, before I just went on the rant saying Echelon Hotel sucks, which it doesn't, but, not really rant. It's a good game. Also, one thing I think you guys should do is add more fun stuff, maybe an obstacle course and some stuff, because, Wave Scripts is really good at building and stuff, but, what I did was really immature, was disrespectful to the game. Shouldn't have done that. And, the reason I mainly trolled was because I was annoyed with how many people were saying, oh my god, well, I was annoyed with the moderation system. Yeah. Echelon, do you mean Echelon? Doesn't the name really matter, LeMayo kids? Dear whoever you are, grow up, you little kid. Yeah, see what I mean? You guys, some of you moderators have been pretty immature too, okay? And it could be pretty disrespectful. Wait, what am I saying? Okay, you guys aren't being disrespectful to me, but I seriously think that you shouldn't freak out as much as you are. Well, not freak out, but be more mature. And yeah, Echelon, don't you mean Echelon? I don't know what you mean by that. How are you gonna troll if you're, dear whoever you're, yeah, see, like, you guys haven't been as mature as you could be. As I said before, I'm not being mature at all. Like, well, yeah, I wasn't being mature at all. This time I just cussed them out. Like, yeah, I replied to a lot of comments because I was really salty about everyone insulting me. Like, listen, okay, I'm a small YouTuber. I rarely get comments, and most of the time when I do get comments, it's either from friends or people asking questions about my video, because I have a different channel. Yeah. So, being critiqued on my videos, not even critiqued, I'd say more just like, I don't know, it's hard to explain what it is, because it's not really being critiqued. I think it's a little bit more far than being critiqued. Yeah. I really, really like Echelon Hotels, but the main reason I did decide to work at Echelon Hotels was because I wanted to get up to the detain tool and admin and stuff, because all I wanted to do was troll at the time. I mean, still do want to troll. This Echelon Hotels, though, I think it needs more for the guests. Like, more fun stuff to do, as I said, like maybe an obstacle course or some other stuff. And, also, that time Echelon Hotels got dislike botted, they actually beat the dislike bot, which is pretty cool. You know, which is respectable. I respect that. So, also just, yeah, I was really just, and also, I really liked the views racking up. And, yeah. So, yeah. As I said, I do not deserve to be unbanned from your guys' game. But also, the one thing I don't like, I'm gonna get to the complaints. Moderation system. Okay, I don't like it. It's way too strict, okay? It's just way too strict. So, yeah, I don't know if Waves wanted to be as strict as it is, because, many moderators just go off what other moderators do, and then it's basically a moderation thing, but Waves doesn't say to do that, and what they're doing is something extra strict. Also, the moderators there too can be not smart, I guess. Not, because, I mean, I saw this one moderator who was warning guests because they weren't using grammar. Hotel guests. I forgot their username, okay, it was like a month ago. And, I saw one that was using false grammar and then was warning people for not using the grammar he was using because he thought his was right. Okay? Yeah. Okay, do you understand me? And, yeah, it's Echelon Hotels. That's a nice game. And now, so yeah, I'm sorry, and shouldn't have done that. And to end off this video, I'm gonna sing Old Town Road. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Got the horses in the back, Woodstock is attached. Hat is matty black, got the boots back to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, whipping up the Porsche now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, lean all in my bladder. Cheated on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, bull riding on boobies. Cowboy hat from Gucci, ring around my booty. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the... Yep.